Hell yeah, it look better.
I'm saying, right?
It look a lot better. It's the before and after for me.
Crazy. Yeah, it's a little bit rust right here and there.
That ain't bad.
I just don't want to like get it to where I don't want to see no metal shavings, but I don't think you can see metal shavings with this. I don't think that's possible because this is metal, you know. It's supposed to not look a certain way. So I hit it a couple times. Let's see what we can do. That's the one a lot better.
Nah, you'll see from the video on what it was looking like then. Like for sure, for sure.
That's crazy. It's funny. Looking better. Oh, this looks like bare metal.